Hi, my name is Dr. Olamide Oshikoya, and I'm a shoulder and elbow surgeon at Rothman Orthopaedics. My journey has been somewhat circuitous. I graduated from the University of Florida, completed a pharmacy degree, and worked in the community as a pharmacy manager for a few years. And then once I got accepted into medical school, it was pretty clear that orthopedic surgery is what I wanted to do. The favorite part of being a shoulder and elbow surgeon really has to do with shoulder replacement and the good that it brings to patients. It's really amazing and remarkable to see how quick a turnaround can be for a patient who is unable to move their arm without extreme pain to being able to lift their hand over their head pain-free. My children are excited to know that they have a doctor in their family. Anytime they have an owie or a boo-boo, I'm the first person that they call, and that brings me a lot of joy. What I hope to impress upon people is that I'm a kind surgeon. I'm a surgeon that's going to listen to them, pay attention to detail. As it pertains to the rotator cuff, anytime that you have, rotator cuff disease, whether that be ranging from inflammation to a full tear, that can lead to difficulties as it pertains to picking up your loved ones, such as your children. That's something that I know I enjoy doing every day, and I'm honored and blessed to have that opportunity. So it's important to manage those conditions thoroughly. And that doesn't always involve surgery. It can involve physical therapy, anti-inflammatories, topical agents. But in the event that it does come to surgery, it's important to meet with and work with a surgeon who is fellowship trained, particularly in shoulder and elbow surgery, in order to maximize and optimize your outcome. If you're suffering from shoulder and elbow problems ranging from prior surgeries, broken bones, or even needing a shoulder replacement due to arthritis, I'd love to have the opportunity to meet with you and discuss your treatment options. To make an appointment with me, Dr. Oshikoya, please visit rothmanortho.com.